Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were going to talk about a common issue many users face, the no signal problem on AOC monitor. If you are seeing this message on your screen, don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix the AOC monitor no signal problem. So, you will see here my PC is on, but there is no output in my monitor. It shows no signal. So, to fix that issue, the first solution is to check the connections. The first thing you should do is to check all the connections. Make sure that the power cable is secured, plugged in the monitor is turned on, and the video cable like HDMI, VGA or display port is properly connected to both the monitor and your computer. To check, you can simply go back side of your monitor, and here you will see the video output cable like HDMI and VGA. You can simply unplug the cable and after that re-plug it again. Also check the one end of the VGA or the HDMI is connected to your PC like this. Also, every PC have two output ports. One end is connected with a GPU, means graphics card, and the second one is connected with a motherboard. So you can simply replace these ports together to check that if the problem is not on the PC end or the ports. Also, you can try replacing the cables. Sometimes the issue may be from the video output cables, like the cable may be broken or damaged, internal damage. So you can simply replace this cable from the other power source. Also replace the ports, like in here I am using VGA cable. So the issue may be from my VGA port. So I can replace the VGA port with a HDMI port with a HDMI cable. The next step is to restart your computer. If the issue persists, try restarting your computer. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve communication error between the computer and the monitor. So you can simply unplug your computer from the power source and after that re-plug it again. And after that also unplug the monitor to the power source. So here are the power source of my monitor. So I am simply unplug it from the power source and then re-plug it again. So we will meet after these steps. After I will re-plug it again. So now I am successfully reconnect the monitor and my PC to a power source, and then press this switch on and off button to on my monitor and then check that if the issue is resolved or not. So here you have it. My issue is resolved. So if you are still facing this issue, so it's time to contact with our AOC customer support for further assistance. They can help you with specific troubleshooting steps or range for a repair or replacement if needed. So there you have it, by our guide on how to fix the AOC monitor no signal problem. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any question or other topics would like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.